Hello, welcome. Today I'm here to teach you how to use the new Scania DTC app. Let's get started. Select your language where the red arrow is indicating. Now enter the desired fault code and click the blue button to search. Wait until the end of the ad and click on the X located in the top left or right corner. If you followed step by step as I taught, you will return the description of the failure that was requested successfully. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, like and share to help promote the application. Thank you and see you next time.